Hey guys, it's Kamiyah Queen back again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys, like, just watch me do some box braids, you know, because like I'm bored and this is what I feel like doing right now. So yeah, if you're interested in watching, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like videos like this one. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and don't forget to subscribe. But enough of talking, let's just get right into the video. I'm starting off with a part from ear to ear. Then I'm taking my touchdown edge control and putting it onto the part just so it stays neat throughout my whole entire style. And then I'm taking my comb and just starting to part for my breakaway parting. And I want to wrap my rubber band around my hair about 6 or 7 times just so it stays tight. But I'm just going to repeat that over and over again until I do my whole entire head. And this is what it looks like after I did half of my head. I'm just going to do the rest of it off camera. I'm going to do the method where you cross it over. Just because this piece is really small. So I'm just going to put this on top of that piece right there and just braid it in. But you want to hold that piece tight so it doesn't move. Hurry up and wrap that piece there, hold it tight, and just braid it in. Okay, so for the 2 strand, you have the hair just like this, and you take your hair and you pull, and you see, like, I wish I can show you, like, my finger is like right here, holding it in place, and then bring this one over, then take some of that hair, run it over, braid again for like 2-3 times. And then borrow some more hair. And then you just want to keep borrowing until like all of your pieces are even. So like right now they're pretty much even. So then I'm just going to braid down. I will be posting every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you're on the lookout for those videos. So you see how I have my thumb here? So I'm going to push it up as I'm pulling these 2 down like this. Push up, pull down. And then just want to hold this so you can pull the braid, borrow some hair, and then keep on braiding. Okay, so I just got done zipping my hair, and I'm being, but okay, let me finish the hairstyle before I try to get all acting all cute and stuff. So yeah, like this mousse is like almost out, but we're gonna use what we got. So apply it everywhere. And now I'm just going to be doing my baby hairs with that touchdown edge tamer and just swoop my edges in kind of like a U shape. And I'm just going to do that and make it look real nice. And that's what they look like after I finished. And this is the finished look. Okay, so that's the end of this video. So I hope you guys like it. Be sure to comment down below which one you see in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you like videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications, okay? Hit that bell for me, I'm saying. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Period.